Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah, in this video, I want to go over one of the most commonly asked questions, and it has to do with quality. How durable is the Azhaari mono bottle? Rather than just saying, oh, it's a high quality product and it's very durable, I figured let me actually show you. SubhanAllah, I myself had the exact same question several months ago. And since we're going to be giving bottles to those in need, we need to know definitively if it's actually durable and high quality or not. At the time, I only had two prototypes, this white bottle you see here and the black bottle. As uncomfortable as it was to drop the only other prototype I had no choice. I went outside to the end of my driveway, dropped it from about chest shoulder height, which is about 4.5, maybe 5 feet up, onto straight up concrete, just to see what happens. And in these clips that I'm about to add in, this is the end result. Other than a couple dents, likely from rocks and pebbles on the ground, as well as a few scuff marks, overall it held up incredibly well. Now as for the lid, I've tested this lid for well over a year, and I do extreme tests. I overpressurize the bottle using this lid. I leave it for days on end pressurized, it every single day, multiple times a day, just to see if it'll hold up. I tested in hot climates and cold climates, hot liquids and cold liquids in there, just to see how the lid would do. And alhamdulillah, it's held up incredibly well. Based off of that test, our recommendation would be to put on a rubberized or a silicone boot at the bottom, as well as a very thin band, silicone or rubberized, that runs near the top. That way you have grip, it conceals the storage compartment, and it protects the bottle itself from any drops or any dents. Same goes with the band at the top. Inshallah, these will be things that we offer in the future, bidnillahi ta'ala. For us, from the very beginning, quality was the #1 thing that we focused on. Not only for you guys as customers and backers, but also for those in need. We refuse to give something that is not high quality and is not going to last a long time. To us, that is not ihsan or excellence. For those in need, it needs to last. We might see this as a must-have or a nice-to-have, but for those in need, this may be all they have. So it has to last a long period of time. And subhanAllah, something that I learned very recently is that not only should we give the best in terms of high-quality products and whatnot, but it's also a command from Allah Azza wa Jal, and more importantly, a right for not only you as a customer and as a backer, but also for those in need. Allah Azza wa Jal actually says in Surah Al-Baqarah, O believers, donate from the best of what you have earned and of what we have produced for you from the earth. Do not pick out worthless things for donation, which you yourselves would only accept with closed eyes. And know that Allah is self-sufficient, praiseworthy. Now, alhamdulillah, we focus on high quality from the get-go, but I found that very interesting. And for us, if the goal is what I call passive ajr, ongoing charity, sadaqah jariyah, then by default, it has to be a high quality product. Let us know your thoughts, insha'Allah. Barakallahu feekum wa jazakallahu khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.